So the next piece is the RGB resampler. So the RGB resampler takes the output from the DMA controller and then sync it to here. Okay? So this piece.
The DMA Canon pixel.
Yeah. The DMA pixel source goes into the Avalon RGB sync. Okay.
Source.
We're good? All right. Next, the RGB source from the VGA, I'm sorry, the RGB source from the RGB resampler goes into the scalar sync. So, which means source coming down, this is the resampler source, sync, that's right. So this is the connection. Okay?
Professor, the previous one, what was with
The previous one was here.
the DMA from pixel source?
Yeah. And now it's this. Alright. We're good with the scalar. Now the scalar has a source. The source needs to be connected to a sink. So source will go to the sink of the alpha blender. Okay? Now, think about this. If you want to have two objects overlay to each other, the front one, the back one is always the pixel. The front one could be character. So the pixel is supposed to go to the back one, the background. So the background sync, you need to be connected to the scalar source. Okay? That's the background. Alright? And everything that you put on top of it will be the foreground. And the foreground needs to be connected to the character buffer source. Like that. So we have two connections.
Character buffer source.
Character Avalon, character source to the Avalon foreground sync. Are we good? All right. But who gives the data to the character buffer? You get it from your data master. Data master.
With the buffer?
Yes. Got one here. Got one here.
Is it on the control slate and buffer slate?
Yes. Yes. Wow. It is. Yes.
The current character buffer connects to the data master.
Yes,
There
data
is
master.
two. There is
Yes.
two data master.
Yes. Data master. There are two dots. Okay. All right. Are we good? Next, the source from the alpha blender, we should go to the dual clock FIFO. So the dual clock FIFO has only one sync. That means this must be the one. Blank source. Okay? Alright. That was easy. The dual clock buffer source goes into the VGA sync. picture, it looks like this. And you still have a bunch of error or warning. So we'll deal with that next. Are we good? So the first thing we'll do is when you finish making the connections inside Q6, you eventually will connect the outputs to the VGA port. So one reminder that they give you is you must be exported. It means you have to double click here, record it, EXT VGA. So this will go to a port. And you can see that a warning disappeared because you have already created a port for this. EXT VGA, not EXT. EXT _VGA. Okay?